I'm LaudiaAnn, and I love to crochet. I have the passion to crochet all the time. I have upcoming markets that I will be doing well, there's one in the end of November, but in December I will be doing some markets, and I'm getting ready to do some Christmas, making some Christmas things like the Grinch. See the Grinch right here? Let me grab one of my Grinch here so you can check out the Grinch. He's a swinging a Grinch. And I do have, I'm going to take this off. I do have the gingerbread boy. And he is so cute. He's made out of Chanel. But I noticed that my hands, it gets tired really quick just using chunky yarn. And so my projects that I do with the chunky yarn, it takes me a little bit longer because I have to get used to what size hook I need to use with this particular yarn. And I'm just not good like all the other crocheters. They're always, a lot of you guys on the YouTube are using the Burnett yarn, the Premier yarn. You guys are using the chunky yarn, and I don't see that many people are using acrylic. But I was taught to use acrylic at 8 years old. Now I'm at the age of 64. I just turned 64 on November 6th, everyone. Yay! Happy belated birthday to me. And I still make acrylic plushies, and a lot of people still love acrylic plushies. I've been making some swings. Right now I'm finishing up making some Pokeballs. This is made out of acrylic, but they're Pokeballs that are going to be sent to my aunt in Hawaii. Now the plushies, I decided to get Max the cat, and I think it didn't take me that long to do this, to get used to with the Burnett blanket. And he's so cute. One is embroidery eyes, and one is the safety eyes. And I just bought some 30 millimeter eyes, so I will be making more of this kind of color. I also been making the hatching eggs with the little chicks. Okay, so these will have adoption certification with them. And if you open up, they're all buttoned, but there's a little tiny chicken here. It's made out of Chanel yarn. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't like the lighting, but this is made out of acrylic yarn, and this is made out of the Chanel yarn. So he's a soft little chicken. My favorite one is the yellow chicken. And the yellow one he is so cute. And let me show you the yellow one. Here's the little yellow one. He is so cute. Made of Chanel yarn, but acrylic shell. And I sewed a button on it. So I've made 5 so far for the market in December at a church. And there's 5 chickens here. And I'm going to make the shell with the little baby dragons. And here's a sample of my flyer. I'm actually going to frame this. Looking for love, adopt a hatching pet. And see how you see the shell with the chicken and the shell with the dragon. I haven't started making the dragon yet, but I will be starting to do that. I downloaded, well, I just dropped one of my chickens here. I downloaded a couple of this certification, adoption certification. You can download this. You can get this on Etsy. I do have to get the hard cover. Not hard cover, but it's hard card. Not regular paper, but this one says adopt me. And I gotta get my nail. I don't have it with me. It's probably in the garage. My hole puncher. And what else I have to do? I finished my stitch. Let me share with you. This is the package I'm sending to my auntie. I did her Pikachus. I did her little ladybugs. And these are going to be keychains. And she's going to put the keychains on them. And this is Stitch. So I made 5 of these for her. 5 of the Pikachus. 6 of the ladybugs, which is in here. I'm going to make her 5 Pokeballs. And I do have to make her some stingrays. And I do have to make some octopus like this. She wants the one that looks like this. With this. It's made out of acrylic yarn. So. And what I love the most is this snake right here. It's made out of chunky yarn. And you know, I am introducing myself with chunky yarn. I don't like to use it a lot because of I don't want my hands to get sore or tired. And so I'm introducing myself to using a thick yarn because I'm not used to using it. But some of my plushies are going to be using the Burnett yarn, the chunky yarn. Because that's not right now. It's popular by the younger generation, and I like to have a mixture. So that's why when you see my market, they're both mixed. And my last market, I did pretty good. Not the one before that, I did much better. But it's just depending on the Old World Village where I usually set up there, and it's depending on the crowd and the kids. And a lot of times when I'm ready to pack up, they all come. And so I don't know why that is, but I make pretty good there, 300 plus at that market. I'm probably going to do more this year. But I'm paying attention now to my inventory. So I have to have a lot of inventory. If I want to make more money, I have to have a lot more plushies, and my setup has to be really nice. So that's what I'm working on, and I'm learning from other crocheters from the YouTube channels. Several of you guys, you know, I watch all of you because you're just like, we just have the same passion. And so some of you guys are seniors and you're using that thick yarn, and I don't know how you guys use that thick yarn. But what's really easy is this. Is Max the cat. I can whip this up and finish it up in 10 minutes. Okay, embroidery. I really like the embroidery one. So, and I think, oh, this is so adorable and it's so scrunchy and lovely. But I'm going to make a bunch of these for December's market. Well, I have to get back and work on my customers' orders. I'm working on, well, I do have to finish up that poncho. And what did I do with that poncho? Let me get it. I think it's under here. And I'm probably going to finish it up today, but my coworker wanted this poncho right here. Oh, it's so cute though. I don't know if you guys can see it. There you go. That's a nice, really nice looking poncho. And she wanted it in this color. And it's going to be beautiful. Oh, it's already pretty already. Makes me want to get more yarn to make me one. I probably should make me one. You know, I deserve to have something for myself, right? All right, everyone. LaudiaAnn is here, always here. And so keep watching my videos if you like to. I don't really talk too much, and I don't explain the things I'm making, but I have so many orders I have caught up. There's one order I have back here. Maybe I'll share it with you. It is for my cousin. and my cousin have to pick it up, and she lives in San Diego. And by the way, I live in California, Southern California. But let me show you what I made for her. I made her Lilo. Right, Lilo is so cute. She's adorable. I do have another one. I have to finish it up for my market in December. But I should focus more on making more dolls like this. I made Stitch, the acrylic Stitch. I made Bernette Blanket Octopus for her. Really cute. And this one's made out of Chanel yarn. This is the yarn you get at the dollar store. So, and it is a thicker yarn. So I am slowly introducing myself to the thicker yarn. I don't like to do it a lot because I don't want my hands to get too tired. And I enjoy making using acrylic yarn a lot. And right now I'm finishing up. I gotta finish up these two. I already made the 3 balls, the Pokeballs, and then I'll make the buttons that go in the middle. I do want to ship her package this weekend. And I want to give her, well, I am giving her two Grinches. I think it's this one, these two. I'm going to put it in the package. It's a surprise. She's going to have some new items. And I think that's about it. So, anyway, I'm going to be making Max the Cat more colors. I was thinking of using this color. Let me show it with you guys. See, I have a blue. I have, this is a really, really pretty color. I don't know what color this is. Kind of like a reddish, autumn color. I don't know. But it's so cute. And I don't really have that many thick yarn. But I bought this one yesterday at Hobby Lobby. I thought it was so cute. I'm going to make the cat. I'm going to have the cat's face with the white. And I'm going to have the body with this color. And I'm going to do the same thing with the face with the white. And use the rest of my blue color here. And I might do the purple. I really want to use up this yarn. I actually can make a pink one. White face or pink face with white body. I don't know. And then I have this one, which is already made one of these. So I don't have that many. I am going to make a cat in this, Max the Cat in this color, Max the Cat in this color. Plus I'm going to make 2 snakes out of it too. And they're going to have, I think I'm going to use a 30 millimeter eyes, which I actually got it in the mail yesterday. It's in a package from Temu. And safety eyes. Oh no, this is the 20 millimeter eyes. But other than that, it's still good. It's pretty big. My 30 millimeter eyes will come tomorrow, but this is 20 millimeter eyes. They're just as good. They're just as big. So I'm going to use that on Max the Cat. And maybe I will put all of them in a little big box or a little, I do have a big pink container. And attach them with some adoption certificate. I have never tried it that way, but I'm thinking of doing that this Christmas at the fair. Craft market at my daughter's church, and it's a 2-day event. It starts Friday from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. and then Saturday from I guess 9 to 5, something like that, or 8 to 5. I'm not sure of the time, but they will provide the tables and 2 chairs for me, so I don't really have to bring my own tables. I don't really have to bring my own canopy, so it's good that I'm going to do that event because I'm going to have a lot of stuff. And my daughter also lives close by, so maybe I'll come there to her house and, leave some of my stuff there and then go to her house and get the stuff and then take it to the church so I can spend time. I need to spend time with my grandkids anyway. I just love these. Anyway, you guys have a great day. I have a lot to do. I'm going to the doctor's today. I have an appointment with my doctor. And that's about it for now. So I will talk to you all soon. Have a great day. Stay blessed. And if you want to learn how to crochet, click on my link and learn how to crochet. 99 cents for you to become a member in this YouTube channel to learn how to crochet. Or you can go to my Teachingly website. You can click it. There's a link there. You can get the course, my online course, and learn, practice, keep practicing till you become an expert crocheting. All right. Bye, everyone.